In this video, we will show the best folding recliner chairs in India 2020. At number 1, Furlay Recliner Chair. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 2, Tulip Folding Recliner Chair. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 3, Amazon Basics Zero Gravity Reclining Lounge Chair. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 4, Spacecrafts Recliner Folding Easy Chair. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 5, Marcielo Home Adjustable Folding Lounge Chair. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update.